Canon stopped making film cameras 8 years ago, but still sold them with old products. Now, he has quietly announced that he will end sales of his latest SLR movie, the EOS-1V, marking the end of an era that began in 1934 with his first camera, the Kwanon. By the way, we finally decided to end sales for the single-lens reflex camera EOS-1V, said in an apology statement. Canon was still selling the EOS-1V from previous stock, so the end of the ability to buy a new one could make the brand's fans become melancholic. It will still be possible, of course, to buy them used, and Canon said it will continue repairing the camera until 2025. The EOS-1V is not completely lost in time, as its design and naming scheme remain in the EOS-1D digital family. The lenses for the camera are also compatible with modern digital cameras, and vice versa. All Canon's interchangeable lens digital cameras, including the EOS-M mirrorless series, also retain the EOS Electro Optical System brand, or EOS, the Greek goddess of dawn, if you prefer. It was the first SLR system that used electronics to drive the lens, instead of mechanical levers and links.